Hi mom, sir, good day. My name is Kia Cristina Yogi, 33 years of age. I'm single, I don't have kids. I'm third year college level. My work experience here in the Philippines as a helper, taking care of 3 children, 7 years old, 3 years old, and 12 years old. I'm taking care of them. I'm playing with them. I'm tutoring with them. And I give some vitamins with them. And also do the cleaning, laundry, cooking, ironing. I know how to cook basic Chinese food like stir-fried vegetables, steamed fish, corn with soup, and egg with tomatoes. I know also basic speak how to Cantonese number like 0 to 10, 0 li, 1 ya, 2 yi, 3 sum, 4 say, 5 6 lock, 7 chat, 8 bat, 9 wow, 10 sum. And I know also how to take care elderly because I have my grandmother. At the 70 years old, I take care of them as I take care of her. I do some exercise, basic stretching every morning. I give the medicine. I feed her. Mom, I'm trustworthy. I'm good, hardworking, and I'm loyal. Mom, sir, if you choose me, I promise to take care of your family and I'll finish 2 years contract. Hope to see you soon. Thank you, Mom, sir.